Good morning, students. In the going on lesson, that is sound, we have till now discussed that how sound is produced. It is produced by vibration of object. We also discussed that how humans can speak. Humans can speak due to the air passing through their trachea, and that passes through the slit present in the between the vocal cord, and that leads to vibration of vocal cord, and we can speak. Now today we will discuss that sound needs medium to travel. We already know that sound is produced when an object undergoes vibration. This vibration is transferred from one place to another through some medium. That means sound always needs medium to travel. Medium for propagation or movement of sound can be a solid, a liquid, or gas. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. If there will be absence of any medium or air, then we cannot hear anything. And the speed of sound varies as it is maximum in the solid medium, then goes on decreasing in the liquid medium and gaseous medium. That means the speed of sound is the maximum in solid medium, and slowly it goes on decreasing as we move in the liquid medium or gaseous medium. Now we will try to understand the movement of sound through any medium, and we will learn one experiment. This experiment is called bell jar experiment. You can see in this experiment, first of all, what is happening. This is a bell jar, and inside this bell jar one electric bell is suspended or hanged, and this bell jar is airtight. You can see at the bottom of the bell jar there is a vacuum pump fitted, and this bell jar is connected to the electric supply. First we switch on the bell jar, and we can bell which is hanging in the jar, and then we can hear the sound inside the jar because air is present inside it. And slowly we switch on the vacuum pump. As the vacuum pump starts working, all the air slowly from the bell jar comes out, and what we observe that the sound of that bell inside the jar, that slowly goes on becoming fainter and fainter, and ultimately we cannot hear the sound of the bell even if it is working. This shows that sound from the bell, that is transferred from one place to another place till when there was air inside the jar, and when air was taken out we could not hear the sound. That means the sound needs a medium to travel. So this is an important experiment. You should mention it in your notebook. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.